Alright, we're back again. We're gonna install the carbon fiber overlays for these right here, this side right here, so that way that can all flow together. As you can see, I have my Takata TEs on, fresh as hell. Look great in my opinion. Love these, whatever. Fitment's great. I'll show you guys the front. Yeah, but when we put the coilovers on, it was all wonky, so I had to drive on this for a couple hundred. I'll get into it a whole different video, but this is a whole nother topic. We can talk about that later. But get on this install on these installs on this side right here. So pretty much same concept. Get your thing, wipe it dry. It was raining outside, so wipe that off real quick. Whoop de whoop. Get you some of that alcohol and rub all that shit off. All the extra shit. So how you guys been, man? Thanks for all the views on the other video, man. It was great. Love it, bro. Keeps me going, bro. Like, I'm sorry I had the comment section off for some odd reason. I don't know. I like the comments is the most important thing to me personally. So I fixed it. So around this time I looked at it and saw it. So yeah, it should be all good now. So go ahead and unbox these. Show you guys what it looks like. Packaging. So it's pretty simple. I mean, we got the alcohol on it, so now you just gotta warm that bitch up. Ooh, almost fell. Yeah, so just warm it up just enough. Like I said in the other parts, just warm it up just enough for it to get stretched and everything with the heat or blow dry or whatever, so it don't matter. Yeah, just the one. Cool. So now I didn't have it ceramic wax. I will ceramic coat it. I just put ceramic wax on it from McGuire's. It works great so far. This is like what, almost a week in. I think next Monday would be a week with this on, or next Tuesday, and it works great. I mean, it's doing its job, so I mean, perfect. I mean, I did the same thing to these wheels, but you know how that goes when you have colored wheels, if you have colored wheels. But go ahead and put this shit on. Oop, I got a little water on there. I don't like that. I don't need that right now. Please, no. Alright. Fuck. I'll be right back. I forgot my damn, you need this, just, you know, a little bottle or whatever with some water, like 2 drops of like this soap, just to have it on there, just so you can be able to move it around if you fuck up or if you don't like the placement. So let's see. There it goes. Perfect fitment as per usual. And if you don't have a squeegee or whatever, just get a card and wrap it in a towel or whatever and go crazy. That's what I do. So let me get this shit going. It has to look good enough for me. Damn it. This is looking good. Ooh. I'm gonna need that to lift up a little bit more, sir. Need you to lift up some more, sir. Sorry about that. Sorry about that. Come on, come on. Oh, I have the top on. I'm stupid. Yeah. Definitely need to scoot you over some more. Up. You should be solid right there. Yeah, that's a long process. So yeah, how you guys been doing? Hope you guys will like the content. I mean, I'm just new to this whole YouTube thing. So I definitely want to get some part, a level where I can do this full time, because I enjoy recording and talking. That's just my thing. Me personally, I love it. I love it. I love talking to people, learning new things. It's a great thing. It's a great concept. Oh my god, dude. I don't like that little red showing right there, dude. It's fucking bothering me. But this is the raw uncut version. I ain't gonna, you gonna see the whole process, the whole shit y'all gonna have to go through if you got a car that you trying to do right. Okay, that looks a lot better personally, because I can see all the details, dude. Wow, this might be the hardest shit I've done in a minute. Oh, I got a piece of hair. Get your ass out of here, dude. Go, shoot. Yeah, but yeah, please give me your opinions on like how I can grow, or just like what I can do better for you guys, personally, so that way I can incorporate that. Because without you, or you guys watching this, I'm really not anything. I'm not anything without you guys. I am not anything without you guys. Oh my god, I gotta fucking leave on here. I mean, it looks fine. I don't see anything wrong with it. Okay, it looks fine. I just don't know about this part though. This end part is fucking with me low key. Low key, high key, where is my damn thing? I just need all that to be perfect. Yeah, this is if I'm not as energetic or whatever, it is 12 at night, so oh yeah, that's a whole lot better, dude. It's a whole lot better. I did a better job on this. A whole lot better. I did a whole lot better on this side right here. So pretty much, once you get all that water out, yeah, see, once you get all the water out, it should start sticking and working very well. And it should be good to go. Yeah, it looks fine. Look, I got all the water out. It looks like I got all the water out. So pretty much once it's on there, you just get the thing, you blow dryer, and just do that a couple times, and pretty much that's it. I mean, just nice. Yeah, this is what it looks like now. It all flows a lot better now. It all flows. I might get this tinted. I don't know yet. Got mixed feelings, but yeah, that's pretty much it. And I'll get back with you guys when I have done on this side. All right, so this is the finished product. This is it without the lights on and everything on both ends. I love the way it looks. I like the little carbon fiber looks. Looks great. Nice little look. Now this is it with the lights on. yeah, gives it that nice little hue. It's not just all red and everything. Dims it down a bit, gives it a nice cleaner look, in my opinion. Definitely like it a lot better. Obviously, that's why I did it. It's cosmetic shit, easy, cheap shit that anybody can go do and everything. So, yeah, yep, that's it. That's all I got for you guys today. Leave a comment, subscribe. Definitely leave a comment. Let me get your opinions, what you want to see next on this thing. I got some more videos. I'm gonna pump them out Sunday, Monday. Whoop de whoop. Yeah, just engage with me, talk to me. I want to hear everything. Any ideas, help me out. Because without, like again, without you, it's no me. So yeah, leave a comment, subscribe, share it, all the good shit, you know. And I'll see you guys next time.